Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, penis size is a topic that's on a lot of minds. It's a subject surrounded by myths, anxieties, and a whole lot of marketing hype. You've probably seen countless ads promising incredible gains through pills, potions, and crazy devices. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and talk about some of the natural approaches people often consider when thinking about penis size, but with a grounded and realistic perspective. If you're here hoping for a magic solution to dramatically increase your penis size overnight, I need to be upfront. That's not what this video is about. Our primary focus isn't on methods that promise unrealistic changes. We're talking about approaches that can potentially enhance the appearance or help you maximize the potential of what you've already got. We're going to discuss some common ideas, and we'll tackle some of the science, or lack thereof, behind them. So, what exactly are we going to explore? Well, over the course of this video, we'll be diving into 5 different approaches that are often talked about when discussing natural ways to enhance penis size. Some of these are simple changes you can make to your lifestyle. Others are more specific, and some may even be surprising to you. We will delve into each one of these, and you will have to stay until the end of the video to understand what are these 5 approaches. It's crucial to approach this topic with a clear understanding. We won't be making any exaggerated claims or selling any false hopes. We are going to be based on science to debunk myths and offer sound advice that you can actually rely on. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about understanding how to make the best of the body you have and prioritize a healthy, fulfilling sexual life. As we go through each of these 5 points, we're going to look at the facts. We'll break down the science, or lack of it, address common misconceptions, and give you some actionable information you can use. Ultimately, this is about being informed, being realistic, and being comfortable in your own skin. Remember, confidence and self-acceptance are just as important, if not more so, than the numbers on a measuring tape. So, whether you're curious, concerned, or just want to be better informed, stick around. We've got a lot of ground to cover, and I promise to be as transparent and evidence-based as possible. Now let's dive into the first of our approaches that may impact the perception of the size, which is often overlooked by many people. Alright, let's kick things off with the first of our natural approaches, losing weight. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How does losing weight relate to penis size? Well, it's not about making the penis itself larger, but rather about its visibility. Let's delve into how excess weight, particularly in the pubic area, can affect how your penis appears. Think of it like this. The base of your penis is partially surrounded by soft tissue and fat. If you're carrying extra weight around your abdomen and pubic region, this fat pad can effectively obscure some of your penis. It's like a hill that's covering part of your view of the actual base, making it appear shorter than it actually is. It can be a significant factor, especially for men who have a higher percentage of body fat in that specific area. So, losing weight, particularly in the abdominal area, can reduce that fat pad, and as a result, expose more of the shaft of your penis. It's not about adding length, but rather about uncovering the length that was previously hidden. This simple change can lead to a noticeable difference in appearance, and it is an indirect way of increasing penis size by simply exposing it more. It's important to note that this effect is more pronounced for some men than for others. If you already have a low body fat percentage, you may not notice a significant difference. But for many, losing weight can make a real impact on how their penis appears, and many men are happy to see what was underneath that fat pad. And the good part is that this is just one of the many benefits of losing weight. The emphasis here is on healthy weight loss. We're not talking about crash diets or unhealthy methods. We're talking about a balanced approach that includes regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and consistency. Not only will this approach potentially improve penis visibility, but it will also improve your overall health, boosting your energy, mood, and even sexual performance. It's a win-win situation. So, while weight loss won't magically make your penis longer, it can certainly enhance its appearance by reducing fat around the pubic area. This is just one piece of the puzzle, and it's a great place to start when you're thinking about improving not only the appearance of your penis, but also your general health. Next, we're going to talk about something related, and which often causes confusion: circumcision. Now let's talk about something that is often a topic of debate, and which also raises a lot of questions when it comes to penis size: circumcision. For those who aren't familiar, circumcision is the surgical removal of the foreskin, which is the retractable fold of skin that covers the head of the penis, also known as the glans. This is an old practice that has been performed for cultural, religious, and even medical reasons. From a purely anatomical perspective, all men are born with excess skin in the foreskin region, and this excess skin may or may not be associated with a condition called phimosis, which makes retracting the foreskin difficult or even painful. Many men undergo circumcision as a treatment for phimosis, but this is not the only reason. Patients undergoing circumcision or postectomy, as it is also known, experience total exposure of the glans, giving the impression that their penis length is greater than it was when the penis was covered by the foreskin. It's important to understand that circumcision doesn't actually increase the length of the penis itself. What it does is expose more of the glans, which is the head of the penis that is usually covered by the foreskin. When the foreskin is removed, the entire head of the penis becomes visible, which can give the impression of a longer penis. This is just one of the reasons why many men choose this practice, which they also perceive as a way to improve hygiene. However, it's crucial to be clear that circumcision isn't a method to make the actual shaft of the penis longer. The length of the shaft is primarily determined by genetics and factors like hormonal levels during puberty. And despite the common misconceptions that circumcision should be performed to prevent certain conditions or improve the sexual life, the scientific community is in agreement that this is a personal choice. And that is important to emphasize. It is only a medical need if associated with a health condition. So, if you're considering circumcision solely for the potential of making your penis appear longer, it's important to understand that the changes will be related to the visibility of the glans. And while it may lead to an increase in how much of your penis you can see, you should consider the implications of any surgery before proceeding. There are many ways to improve your sexual health and the perceived size without invasive procedures. The bottom line is that circumcision is a surgical procedure with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. It does not increase the actual length of your penis, but the full exposure of the glans may give the perception that it does. The main takeaway is, the decision to get circumcised should be based on personal preference, cultural or religious beliefs, or medical necessity. Now let's move on to another aspect of penile health that many men overlook, avoiding penile atrophy. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that's often overlooked, but incredibly important for maintaining the health and appearance of your penis: avoiding penile atrophy. You may be wondering, what exactly is penile atrophy? It refers to the decrease in size and function of the penis due to lack of use or inadequate blood flow. Just like muscles in your body, the tissues in your penis can weaken if they're not used regularly. When we talk about penile disuse, we're not just talking about the sexual act itself. Regular erections, whether they are a result of sexual activity or masturbation, are vital for the oxygenation of the penis, which is important for the health of its tissues and to maintain its normal size. When you don't have regular erections, the blood vessels in your penis may not function as efficiently, and the tissue may start to shrink. So, how do you combat penile disuse? The answer is simple: regular sexual activity, whether it's with a partner or through masturbation. This can help maintain blood flow, tissue health, and help avoid penile atrophy. The key is consistency. By ensuring that your penis receives regular blood flow, you can help maintain its size and function and keep it healthy. Beyond preventing atrophy, there's also a visual aspect to consider, and it involves a practice that many people overlook: grooming. Excess hair at the base of the penis can give the false impression that it is smaller than it really is. By shaving or trimming the pubic hair, you can reveal more of the penis and create an optical effect of greater size. This isn't about changing your penis itself, but rather about enhancing its visibility. Just like losing weight reduces the fat pad and exposes more of the base, grooming the pubic hair can create the visual perception of a longer penis. This is a simple, non-invasive way to improve your appearance and boost your confidence. So, to sum up, maintaining regular sexual activity and grooming your pubic hair can play a part in improving not just the appearance of your penis, but also its overall health. By ensuring good blood flow and maximizing visibility, you can help maintain its size and appearance. And these are important aspects to consider. Now, let's move on to the final topic, and probably the most controversial one: the penis extenders. All right, we've reached the final point on our list of natural ways to enhance the penis: penis extenders. The practice of extending body structures using traction devices has been around for centuries and is common in many tribes. The idea here is to apply gentle, consistent traction to the penis over a period of time to stimulate the growth of the tissue. This is the only point on our list that has a device involved. Penis extenders are devices that work by applying a constant pulling force to the penis to create a small, steady stretching of the penile tissue. Over time, this stretching is believed to stimulate cell growth, potentially leading to an increase in length. These devices are often used for a minimum of 6 months, and they have gained popularity as a non-surgical approach for those looking to increase the size of their penis. While the idea of using a device to lengthen the penis might seem appealing, it's crucial to have realistic expectations. The results of using penis extenders can vary significantly from person to person, and the increase, if any, is modest. Some studies have suggested that some men may see an increase of up to 1 to 3 cm in length after consistent use over several months. However, these results are not guaranteed, and the devices may not work for everyone. It's important to understand that while some individuals may experience small gains, the evidence for the effectiveness of penis extenders isn't as robust as some manufacturers claim. Furthermore, it's vital to use these devices safely and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, as improper use may lead to discomfort, pain, or even injury. This is definitely not a method for those seeking instant results. So, while penis extenders do present a possibility of a small increase in penis size, it's important to have realistic expectations. As we've discussed throughout the video, there are other ways to enhance the appearance and health of your penis. From losing weight to grooming your pubic hair and maintaining healthy sexual habits, these practices are all more impactful and important. And these should be your focus instead of a device. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of 5 natural ways to enhance the appearance of the penis. We've covered a lot of ground, from how weight loss and circumcision may affect the perception of size to maintaining penile health and using penis extenders. Remember, the key takeaway here is to approach these methods with a healthy dose of realism and to focus on overall health and well-being. Now, let's finish with a call to action. If you liked this video, leave a comment below, subscribe for more content, and share this video to reach more people who need this information.